From the streets to the heights, we're feeling right. SAMP, the power that binds us tight. Let's rise together, day and night. We're diverse, but our hearts beat as one. From different walks, we've just begun. No more divisions, no more strife. We're the change we've been waiting for in life. Respect each other, hand in hand. We'll make a difference across this land. Who you calling out, who you bringing down? We're all in this together in the SAMP town. S-A-M-P, SAMP, unity we stand. Together we rise, hand in hand. No more hate, no more pain. S-A-M-P, SAMP, we're breaking the chain. We're the voices of the future bright. Our unity is our greatest might. We'll lift each other, we won't fall. We'll stand for justice, for one and all. From the cities to the rural grounds, we'll spread love and peace all around. No more barriers, no more walls. We'll break them down, we'll stand tall. S-A-M-P, SAMP, unity we stand. Together we rise, hand in hand. No more hate, no more pain. S-A-M-P, SAMP, we're breaking the chain. We're the dreamers, we're the doers. We're the ones who make the future clearer. With every step, with every voice, we'll make a difference, we'll make some noise. In unity we find our strength. Together we'll conquer every length. So let's come together, let's unite for a world where love shines so bright. No more fear, no more doubt. We'll rise above, we'll shout it out. SAMP is the key, it's the way to a brighter tomorrow, starting today. We'll celebrate our differences too, because in unity we find our true clue. S-A-M-P, SAMP, unity we stand. Together we rise, hand in hand. No more hate, no more pain. S-A-M-P, SAMP, we're breaking the chain. So let's keep it real, let's keep it tight. In SAMP we'll shine with all our might. Unity is power, it's our way to a better world starting today.